Today we have the all-new Indian Challenger Dark Horse. This is an icon color. This here is the Storm Blue with black metallic two-tone. As you can see, that real nice Storm Blue on there. All blacked out engine bay. Factory OEM dual disc Brembos with inverted forks. Super nice glowing headdress. Way better in person. Pictures do not do it justice. Only has 5 miles on it from my service department. Full nav. This is the bike of all bikes when it comes to touring. Give us a call on it here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles.